All right, this morning I'm supposed to have somebody come. They're bringing the trailer, so I guess they're wanting to buy it. And right now I am polishing chrome. I just finished polishing my rim. And now I'm going to put my chrome. This is what it looks like now, and this is what it looks like after. It's just one of them little accents that really makes a difference in purdy. And what you do is you take the lens off and you put this little rubber O-ring around the lens, and then you put it back on, and this little tiny rim here fits in behind this. And that's what I'm fixing to do now. Get this side. Guess what's missing? Oh. And okay, let me tell you the truth here. I gave $8,700 for that gator, and $500 of that was roof and roll bar. So I gave like $8,200, and I just sold it for $8,000, and that is going to make a huge difference. I already like the space, so now I can move around, and I can even get my car in here to polish it and wax it. Oh, here's the back of the bike. I just love these hooded, what do you call them? Rings, hooded trim rings. I'm fixing to polish. I got this waxed. Now I'm fixing to chrome polish this and the mufflers, and then I can put my saddlebags back on, and then I'll do the tank, and then the engine, and then I'll have this done today probably, and then I'll start on my wife's probably tomorrow. All right, let me go to the bank and put this in the bank, and then pay the gator off, and then pay a credit card off, and life is good again. I know you probably can't tell the difference, but I have polished and waxed and shined up to, I got that head back from this pipe forward here, 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 that, and then all the front chrome. And oh boy, I'm wore out. I think I can finish polishing today. I really do. I got all the paint is waxed and polished. I still have to, what I'm gonna do is finish the engine and the pipes and the foot pegs and the crash bar. And basically I'll just have the forks. I mean, there's a lot of chrome. Even this is chrome, you know? Is that rust? Yeah, huh. So anyway, I got a whole lot of polishing to do still, and I don't want to rush it. I really do enjoy waxing and polishing. I know that sounds weird, but I accomplished something major today. I got rid of that John Deere, and okay, beyond the John Deere payment, I was able to pay the John Deere off, pay an entire credit card off, pay one of my wife's credit cards off. Now we have 2 more credit cards that I'm pretty sure we can knock out quickly, especially now that I can apply the $150 a month payment from the John Deere to the credit cards. And we will be, I'm going to say debt-free, but what I mean is non-secured, debt-free. I'll have the 2 motorcycles in a car. And as I mentioned before, that my YouTube income it's about half of what I usually get. And I don't have any explanation. Maybe it's just time. Maybe I've just been blessed all this time, and it's time for this blessing to come to an end. Maybe so. I'll be ready for it if it does. Now that I soon will be debt-free, except for motorcycles. And you know, our payments are not much. It's like 90 bucks a month on, and same for hers. It's not much at all. And so we're almost in a position where if I didn't have my YouTube income, we'd be perfectly fine. A couple of more months and we will be. So I'm going to, oh, and let me say thank you to a friend of mine who put $50 on my PayPal and called it my Chrome account. I thank you very much. That was awful nice of you. It was unnecessary, but I'm grateful and appreciative. Okay, I'm gonna probably finish the engine and leave it to where all I've got tomorrow is the forks, put my trim rings on, and polish the front rim, and this bike will be done. And then I'll move my wife's bike over here. Hers is a lot easier. It has a lot less chrome. And I'll have that done tomorrow. So we'll have both bikes done tomorrow. And I'll have this pretty good way. It's only like 2 in the afternoon, so I may just sit a minute, admire this, and just, boy, that's a pretty bike, huh? That is just gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna get to waxing a little bit. Okay. Do you see the headlight visors? If you think I'm sexy. All right, tomorrow I polish the windshield and put it back on, polish the front rim, and we're done with this bike. And then I do my wife's bike. So I will have hers done tomorrow because I got the same kind of headlight visors going on hers. And, oh, Lord. Okay. 17, almost, yeah. It's 18 years old, this bike, 18 years old. I do see some tiny little specks of rust on top of here, but I'm not gonna worry about it. It's, like I say, that's really the only place. And I've looked hard. Oh yeah, the push rod tubes over here, they had a little bit of rust on them, and I got some steel wool, cleaned them up, and then I polished them with some chrome polish, so maybe that'll hold for a while. Okay, we are waxed and polished. Tomorrow, do the front rim, put the windshield on, and this bike's done. Okay. You're a nice kitty. You are. We get a little bit closer every day. Every day. You got a pretty face. You're a pretty kitty. I don't think we'll ever be cuddle buddies, but it sure would be nice if you'd just trust me. Yeah. Boy, you are well fed for a wild cat. I wonder if you're eating other places too. Look at that face. All right, I'm gonna leave you alone. See ya.